In today's video, I'm going to show you how to preview your video in full screen. Start by opening your project in DaVinci Resolve and navigate to video clip you want to preview. In preview window, you will notice percentage value that represents current zoom level. You can change this to fit screen, actual size or custom percentage. To preview your video in full screen, use keyboard shortcut Ctrl F. Or alternatively, you can click on the full screen icon located in the preview window. Once in the full screen mode, you can use spacebar to play or pause your video. If your video has audio, you can toggle audio playback on or off by clicking on the audio icon in the preview window. While in the full screen mode, you can still navigate through the video by moving your mouse cursor to the bottom of screen. This will reveal playback controls that allow you to skip forward or backward video. Now, to exit full screen mode, simply press Ctrl F again or click on the full screen icon in the preview window.